How to download Exness on your PC. So first of all, you can go ahead to your preferred browser and just directly search for Exness. Once you search for that, it should just appear on the first tab. But as long as you go to their official Exness, of course, so present that, then you should be able to see something like this. So it's either to register or to sign in. If you don't already have an account, then it's much better to choose the register option, since you should be able to use your account later on, and the account should be pretty useful for you. So just go ahead and put in your country or region of residence, your email address, your password, and follow these rules down here. And also this, so declare and confirm that you are not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Just go ahead and toggle that on and press on register. Or you can create an account with Google. But once you've done that, you can just go ahead and log into your account. So go to the sign in page, put in your email address and then its password and press on sign in. So once you're inside your account, you should be able to navigate yourself over here. Now, you may have been able to do this beforehand, but again, it was just pretty much better to make an account before you get the app. But go ahead here to the search bar and find this little button over here. So pretty much depends on your browser, but in our case, it's here on the search bar. Press on this little symbol which says app available, and it should give you a little installer for the Exness app. So I'll just go ahead and press on install. So once you do that, it should pretty much install pretty much automatically and almost instant. You can allow it to pin to your taskbar or your start. You can create a desktop shortcut if you'd like, or even auto start on device login, but allow those if you'd like. But that's pretty much it. You would have your Exness app on your PC. Your account would be already signed in. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.